Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Hotmail account. So logging into your Hotmail account is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Outlook application. Microsoft has rebranded all the email services as Outlook. From the Outlook application, you'll be able to log into your Hotmail account. When you open the Outlook application, you can see over here, you'll be able to find two options: add account, create new account. If you do not have an account, go ahead and create a new account for yourself. But if you want to log into your Hotmail account, simply tap on the option add account that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to add the account. All you have to do is enter your email over here. Simply tap on the field, enter your email. Now what you have to do is enter your Hotmail email over here. Simply enter your Hotmail email. Now after you enter your Hotmail email, what you have to do is tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. But if you remember your password, go ahead and enter your password over here. Now after entering the password, what you have to do is tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be logged into your Hotmail account. So that is how you log in Hotmail account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.